Yes. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, children.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, children. Okay. I hope all of you have read the message, whatever I have posted in yesterday's group. So I take this opportunity to welcome Mrs. Amita. Madam is a very eminent, dynamic person who is heading our JSS Advanced Jewelry Design Technology Center under the big banyan tree JSS Mahavidyapita. So as per the National Education Policy, we are planning to include this jewelry designing course for the kids of 6th and 7th standard. I will not take much time. So let's enjoy the benefit of listening to Amita Madam about this course and what is the curriculum and how are we going to follow the curriculum, what is the procedure involved, and financial implications also. So I hereby hand over the proceedings to Amita ma'am. Ma'am, the stage is yours. Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, ma'am. I'd like to introduce myself as Amita, and I head the jewelry department of JSS AJDTC, that is Advanced Jewelry Design Technology Center. And we are based in Bangalore. Okay, so good morning to everyone here. So I am pleased to present this presentation, and with the blessings of our Mahaswamiji Shri Deshikendra Swamigal. So we are starting this presentation, and I thank Principal Ma'am Gauri Ma'am for giving me this opportunity. And so let's get started. So here the outline of this presentation will be about our institute and what is how our course is in line with the NEP 2020. And you all know about National Education Policy, and a brief introduction about our institute, where we are located, and about our infrastructure, and what is the course is all about, and that's it. And I will show you a small video what we do in our college. And so let's start. So we also come under JSS Mahavidyapita, and we are headquartered in Mysore. And our Suttur Math is a movement which is committed to uphold the cause of social and economic justice. And also, this was our Math was established in 1954 by our third pontiff of Shri Suttur Math Jagadguru Shri Dr. Shivratri Rajendra Mahaswamiji. And our MVP, JSS MVP is a philanthropic gift to the society, and with a lineage of pontiffs who believe in uplifting the society by eradicating poverty through education for all. And also the main purpose of our JSS MVP is to transform lives through the philosophy of education for all, and by combining both innovation and tradition. So our institutions are spread across Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, and abroad, namely like USA, Mauritius, and Dubai. And we have all over 300 institutions in the field of engineering, medicine, pharmacy, and all the school education. So our institute, mainly JSS AJDTC, that is Advanced Jewelry Design Technology Center. This is a dedicated jewelry institute. It was set up by JSS MVP in the year 2004, jointly with Government of Karnataka under state government ASIDE scheme. And we are one of a kind in the southern India, where we impart training in jewelry designing and manufacturing. And the main objective is to develop Center of Excellence for Jewelry Industry to provide the latest technology in the field of designing and manufacturing. And through advanced training and coaching, we develop skilled artisans, and we provide manpower to the jewelry industry. And also entrepreneurs, they can become their own entrepreneurs as well in their field. And we also use latest technologies to meet modern challenges and become a leading consulting center for industry. So we are also partners with the Karnataka government in skilling in gem and jewelry, and also with central under PMKVY scheme. And also we provide engineering services to industries in jewelry, CAD, digitization, rapid prototyping, advanced manufacturing for various kinds of jewelry. And we also employ specially abled individuals like who are speech and hearing impaired. We train them, and we also provide employment to them. And we also train people from economic weaker sections in various government schemes, through various government schemes. And we also make them self-reliant to lead a successful career. So this is our campus. This is our college. So this is our college. Like we are in a sprawling 21-acre campus in JSS Engineering College. So it's very much green. So our vision statement is to become an acknowledged institution in the field of jewelry through innovative and creative ideas using latest technologies. And also we provide consultancy to industry and training in advanced techniques in design and manufacturing. And we are, through regular interaction with industrial professionals, we reduce the gap between the academics and the industry standards. And there is also we develop that mutual trust among all stakeholders. And we also provide cost-effective solutions with quick turnaround time in jewelry industry. And there is a high customer satisfaction through continuous improvement and uncompromising quality. And our mission statement is we are committed to provide with an ultimate aim of integrating within the society. And we have high-end workstations to accommodate high modeling of the jewelry. So I was talking about this CAD lab, and also we do rapid prototyping 3D printing machines. This is the one. And we realize here CAD models, like what we design, and we can directly give it to the system so that we get that model in the wax model. And we have experienced resources to support any kind of back office operations as well. And this is our casting department, where we cast, where we make molds, and we teach how to cut the molds. And this is benchworking department, where we file whatever the finished piece we get from this department. Comes here. So we file it and we polish it, and everything is done here. And we also have an IT facility lab as well. And the services what we provide to the industry, I mean the jewelry industry, is like we convert and we digitize their jewelry. Like we take their hard copy conversions and we make them into digital models, and a detailed drawing sheet is presented to them. We prepare them, and also new, like here we can say that how much metal is required, where we can connection. Ma'am, I'm audible, right? Connection is unstable. I'm getting
audible, ma'am. You're audible.
Hello.
You're audible, ma'am.
Audible. Okay. So weight optimization. Okay, ma'am. Okay. And weight optimization, we also do it for the new existing designs, and we also 3D print it and prototype it. And we also help companies in creating brochures, posters, and content design. And we also do market research and surveys. We conduct them through these young and energetic professionals which we have in our campus. They are in the MBA department. So we involve them and we help industry to do market surveys. And our ecosystem, we have professionals with in-depth knowledge when it comes to our jewelry subjects, and we have industry-specific training. We have labs with best of the class facility. We have library facility, and we have also tie up with leading industrial houses where they give their inputs, what's happening in the industry. So we try to train our candidates as per the industry standards. And we also have state and central government sponsored schemes. And we also train special and differently abled individuals. And this is NSDC, this is National Skill Development Corporation. We are also tied up with them. And we are also 4-star rated institution in gem and jewelry sector that comes under Skill India. And with this is under central government, we have PMKVY schemes, and under state government, we have CMKKY. So in both the schemes, we take students and we train them. The training will be free of cost, and we train them and we also place them. So now I would like to come to the how our course is in line with the National Education Policy 2020. And the NEP was framed, though it was framed in 1986, way back in 1986, and later it was modified in 92. And over the last 3 decades, there have been significant changes which has been taking place in the education system in almost in every segment of the sector. But still there were some problems ranging from enrollment of the quality issues to lack of equity and insufficient infrastructure. So at this juncture, NEP 2020 has attempted to diagnose all these problems which are in the sector, identified them, and they provides innovative solutions to the problems right from the preschool level to the higher education courses. And India's population is among the youngest in an aging world. We all know that. And UNICEF, as per the UNICEF report 2019, estimates that at least 47% of Indian youth are not on track to have the education and skills which are necessary for employment in 2030. So another study also tells us that nearly 20% out of the 5 million students who graduate every year, who graduate every year get employed in India, but they lack the skills which are directly the industry needs, which are industry specific. So, and also as per Economic Times, we have 94% of engineering graduates who are not fit for hiring. And we have graduates who are collecting their degrees despite not being skilled enough to be productive, who are part of the Indian economy. And also 90% of graduating engineers, they want jobs either in software or core engineering, but only 3% have necessary skills which are directly suitable to the as per the industry needs. And also this is the fourth industrial revolution, wherein the industry veterans, entrepreneurs, veterans, they say that revolution should be revolution of values, and you should not be a small fish eating a big fish. How fast the fish which eats the slow fish. And we cannot wait until there are massive dislocations in our society to prepare for the fourth industrial revolution. So these are some of, since it is industry 4.0, where more concentration is more on digital literacy and how you communicate, humanities. These are all the areas where industry 4.0 is concentrated right now. And NEP also focuses on 21st century skills like critical thinking, collaboration, communication, creativity. Creativity is where you get an idea. So idea is more, that is the important part, where you should get an idea in designing or refinement, and how you are open and courageous to explore your ideas and work towards it, and how you bring that creative element into it. So, and critical thinking, where there is information and discovery, interpretation and analysis, reasoning, constructing arguments and problem solving, and how the systems think, how do you incorporate, and also collaborating like leadership and initiative, how do you come forward and take anything, and cooperation, flexibility, teamwork, how do you own up the things, responsiveness and constructive feedback, and also how do you communicate within the team, how do you listen, effective listening should be there, and also delivering oral presentations, communicate using digital media, and engaging in conversations and discussions, and communicating in diverse environments. So these are the 21st century skills which are very much important, where NEP focuses. So how our course is like, we are targeting like in their early childhood, we want to give our students the benefit of all these points which I discussed, like developing curiosity. Young minds, they are very much, they want to, they take so many things like developing curiosity, like logical thinking and problem solving. Their minds are so young, so they grasp very well. And that's what we want to involve our curriculum into children, like where they can develop their creativity, arts, crafts and music, and also in relationship with nature, colors, shapes, alphabets and numbers, and how they can also tell them how to do teamwork, how to collaborate with each other, and also play based and discovery based learning, where they can research how the designs are evolved, and how many designs evolved in our India, where in our nation is a diverse country, where we have many jewelry, what do you call, different types of jewelry, where they were the root of our civilization. Like we have Chettinad jewelry in the south. When we go to north, we have Kashmir jewelry, and we go to the east, we have Tarakeshi jewelry. So children, we make the children research all these right from their young mind, right from their young age. So how they develop this ethics, self-identity, and how they become etiquette, how they are etiquettes behavior, and these all leads to their emotional development. So learning should be happening in this young age. So now we are putting the seeds, so that once they are once they once they finish their school education, they know what they want. And it will set right from this young age, we are making them to think and explore. So let's move to the next slide. And why age is our JSS AJDTC. So we are with this course, we are trying to recognize and identify and foster the unique capabilities of each student. Like we all believe that each student is unique, and they should be flexible, and there will be no hard separations in our curriculum, and multidisciplinary, and our curriculum is holistically structured, and we emphasize more on conceptual understanding, because in jewelry, when they design or something, first they should be clearly, they should have a concept about what they're designing, and their creativity and critical thinking, to it improves their creativity, and also ethics and human and constitutional values. And we also promote multilingualism, and removing that language barrier through technology, like they can realize that our designs can also be created in a CAD, this thing, so that right from this age they will be having that idea that even technology is very much there in the jewelry as well. And also life skills such as communication, cooperation, teamwork, and resilience, how they should behave when they are in the team, how they should cooperate. These all things will be imbibed in our curriculum, and we focus on regular formative assessment for learning. Extensive use of technology in this is, at least at this age, we will make them realize that this designs can be done through using technology. So even they will be taken to our facility, so they will be showed how we include softwares in designing jewelry. So we make them aware of the technology in our field. And also there will be research, and there will be also assessment involved in the curriculum, where they are given small projects, like from where this design came, from where the inspiration was taken to design this. So like this, there will be so many research oriented education will be there in our curriculum. So And also what students will learn in this course, like with respect to diversity and local context, like and also equity and inclusion will be there. So they should be like they should with the teamwork they build that all these uh, uh, equity and inclusion. And also there will be community participation involved, and also there will be use of technology and emphasis on conceptual understanding, because in jewelry, whenever they are designing, concepts are very much important. And there will be, we also try to harness the unique capabilities, and there will be also critical thinking and creativity, which is very much required in this, in any field. Critical thinking and creativity is very much needed. And benefits of our program to all stakeholders. And we are the front runners to prepare this implementing this jewelry curriculum, which is in line with the NEP 2020. And I had since there was COVID situation, we could not roll out last year, but we have been in touch with principal ma'am to take this forward. And this is a 3-month program where it is very well structured and which covers both practical and theory aspects in various types of artificial jewelry making. So, and there will be a hands-on approach for all these things, and there will be easy eye and hand coordination. Through like this, we have developed various types of artificial jewelry which the children can create. And the program also covers and makes the student excel in designing their piece or whatever they come up with. So, and also the program introduces the students to the world of creative thinking, there is collaboration and teamwork. And also it will instill self-confidence in students, that, and we try their interest at a young age in exploring subject through practical approach. And we also cover critical thinking, as I said, and creativity, collaboration, communication. And in literacy skills, information, media, and technology will be always there. And life skills, there will be flexibility, and we form groups, and they can the leadership this thing also they can take up, and the initiatives they can take up, and productivity. And through groups they can definitely discuss and come up with new designs. So this will help the teamwork. And let's move to the next slide. I'm showing a small video how we make jewelry at JSS AJDTC. So let's have let's take a look of this. So here I stop my presentation, and ma'am, if anybody has question and answers, they can ask related to course and curriculum. So I'll be happy to answer them.
Thank you, Amita ma'am. It was very voluminous and very knowledgeable presentation. We also didn't know so many things are happening in our JSS, which is our sister institution. Very proud of your branch, ma'am. And I'm proud to say that children, this particular branch of our JSS with the blessings of His Holiness Mahaswamiji, is doing wonderful work, children. Not only to the children, it is giving job opportunity to the elders also who are in need. Okay, even if they have passed just 10 standard, they are giving vocation to them, they are giving training to them, and they are giving a life to those people. You are understanding the value behind starting this particular branch in our JSS. So His Holiness has got a very, very, very broad vision. Even we cannot think in our dreams about that vision. Okay, so we are all fortunate and proud of we being working or studying in JSS. Yes or no? Yes? Okay. Now, as a part of national education policy, so with the permission from our higher officers, so I would like to introduce this particular course, okay, which you will get the certificate also for the students of 6th and 7th standard. It is a skill course, children. You will get a certificate also once you complete this course. Actually, we wanted to start last year. So because of the COVID, we did not want to initiate this course. And this year we are planning to do it, children. So I need your help and I need your parents' supporting hand to make this activity a grand success. Hope you are all with me. Yes or no? When the knowledge is given, we have to grab the knowledge. Yes or no? When an opportunity is given to us, we have to learn. Every day we have to learn, no, children? Yes or no? Apart from the academics, to become a good person, we should know. Simply we purchase one of the jewelry, the matching jewelry, and we wear. If you can do it on your own, if you can present it to your mom or your friend or somebody, how fine it is. Yes or no? You feel proud of yourself. And every day is a learning session, children. We have to learn. Every day, from wherever it comes, we have to learn. Okay, so we have made a beginning. I will share all the details about this once I get the permission, written permission from our head office. This is just a demo session. Okay, how many of you are interested? Oh, all my tiny tots are raising the hand. Okay, I will give all the details. Okay, in 1 or 2 weeks, I will give all the details to you, children. Please pass it on to your parents. And I want your parents also to be a part of this program. Okay, yes or no? Okay, but for this, the materials and other things, some kind of minimal cost will be there. But we are learning one new thing, new skill. Yes or no? So when we are learning something, definitely some kind of few amount will be there. That madam will give all the details with the permission of this thing. And at the end of this course, you will get a e-certificate. You will get a certificate also. And you know, all these programs are bonded with even our state government also and the departments also. It is a certified course. You will get a certification. Okay, so JSS is involved in many things, starting from the nursing college to the medical college, including we have old age homes, and we have a college where we train the IAS and IPS and IFS training also. So we are proud to be a part of JSS family. I hope all my tiny tots are also proud of JSS family. Yes or no? Okay. So thank you, children. So I will come back to you people. Okay, with a letter. Okay, so please pass it on to your parents and I'll just come back to you. Anyway, you people are coming to school. Hopefully from 1st onwards, we will have the full-fledged school. All of you are coming to school. Okay, so we will be stopping the online at the earliest. So I want to see all my tiny tots in my school so that the positive vibrations are there with me so I can smile. Because without you, smile is not there on my face. Because you are my life, you're the cause of my happiness. If you are there, I'm happy, that's all. Okay, hope to see you people at the earliest with the permission from the government, state government. Okay, thank you children for all the support. I will just come back to you with all the details. Okay, please be safe. Love you all. God bless you, children. Thank you, Amita ma'am. Anybody has got any
Thank you,
kind of
ma'am.
doubt?
Thank you. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving this opportunity. And
Thank you, ma'am.
children, please make use of this wonderful course, because this is going to be implemented here at your school. And so that you will be very happy creating your own jewelry, and what are the things you will be making. You can gift it to your friends, your mom, anybody you can gift it. So please make use of this course. Okay, like you will become like, you know, what will be the jewelry history of it, everything you will be knowing. So please make use of this course. And this is from our JSS Mahavidya Pita, and also our beloved Swamiji is very much, his vision is very big, and he wants you to make use of this wonderful course. Okay, so all the details will be given, it will be shared by Gauri ma'am, and I hope to see you all in the taking up this course. Okay.
Thank you, Amita ma'am. Thank you, children.
Yes, ma'am.
God bless
Thank
you.
you,
Please
children.
be safe. Okay.
Please be safe, all of you.
Bye.
Bye.